So what you're looking at now is a tube amplifier that uses a pair of number 42 tubes. And I've had this amp almost 6-7 years now. And it's wired in single-ended mode. And here it is. I haven't used this tube amp in a while. It sounds amazing. You'd be surprised some of these older tubes that are not as popular, with the right wiring and the right circuitry, you can make them sound amazingly amazing. Pretty much all my tube amplifiers I've used with a headphone. So I plug this tube amp into my computer, listen to some music, listen to some vinyl, and once again, here is the input for the phono jack down there. And once again, this is the single-ended 42 tubes, Pentode, in a trial configuration or trial connection wiring. Here is the back side. These are beautiful, strong, high quality output transformers, single-ended output transformers. And here's the volume control. And I have it a negative feedback or no negative feedback. I like to run my tubes. I like the sound of no negative feedback on all my tube amplifiers. But I like to give that option too for negative feedback and no negative feedback. Well, here it is. Let's take a look. Let's dive in and take a look. The input tubes right there are a pair of, what are these? I don't know what these are. Oh, these are a pair of 6C4. Can you see that? 6C4. And the driver tubes, let's check this out. The driver tubes are a pair of 5687 tubes. I love the 5687 tubes as driver tubes. They sound amazing and they push a lot of power. They take up a lot of current and they push a lot of power to these 42 tubes. And like I said, they sound wonderful. And here it is. Volume control. C6, 6C4. 6C4. Driver tubes. A pair of 5687 tubes. And the tube is a number 42 in a triode configuration. They are pentodes, but I have them hooked up in a triode configuration. I don't have a rectifier tube on this. I have it direct solid state rectification. And this was a project that I picked up years ago. I seen circuitry online. I seen folks do this. I seen people run trial connection or trial circuitry on pentodes, and I wanted to try it out and see if it's how it sounds. And like I said, it sounds wonderful. I love the sound. Very neutral. I try to keep all my tube amps very neutral. I'm not into coloring. I'm not into equalization. I listen to a lot of vinyl. Vinyl is my passion. And like I mentioned, I like to hear the sound, the tone of the record straight from the record. I don't like to color it. And my goal for my tube amps is always try to produce the most natural sound without having to colorful tube amp. I wanted the sound to come in and come out as neutral as possible. So this is what I came up with. Let's take a look underneath. What's underneath? And I have just a simple vent. Just a simple vent. I think the output on these are a little higher than my usual other tubes, and I think I can crunch out 2.5 watts per channel on these in triode mode. And I think these transformers make a huge difference. These output transformers, I'm not sure where I acquired these transformers, but these are wonderful. They sound really great. Beautiful. If you like, this is for general music, all around music. So let's take a look underneath the hood and see what that's all about. I'll show you underneath in a moment. You know, everything looks like it's cramped inside. There's no hum, no noise. And here's the right negative feedback, left negative feedback. And then here you have your output for the headphones. Your solid state rectification, drop down resistor. Your bias resistor. I don't recall how much of a milliamps I have across for the bias on these tubes. Clean sound, no hum, no noise, beautiful tube amplification, beautiful amp. So if you're into building tube amps and you want to start off with something simple, something not as expensive, I do recommend you, why don't you start with a number 42 tubes. It's not expensive. They're not expensive tubes. They're easy to acquire, and start with that. I like this tube. It's this tube amp. These tubes sound wonderful. Okay, enough about me chatting it up. Just enjoy the video. Thank you.